I got my first real six strings, bought it at the 5 and dime, played it till my fingers bleed. It was the summer of '69. Me and some guys from school had a band that would try real hard. Jimmy quit, Joe to get married, shoot them known we never get far. Oh, and when I look back now, the time seems to last forever. And if I had the choice, yeah, I'll always wanna be there. Those were the best days of my life. Ain't no use in complaining when you got a job to do. I spend my evening down at the drive-in, and that's when I met you, yeah. Standing on your mama's porch, you told me not to wait forever. Oh, and when you hit my hand, I know that it's now or never. Those were the best days of my life. Oh yeah, back in the summer of '69. Oh, then we were killing time. We were young and restless. We needed to unwind. Guess that nothing can last forever, forever. No, 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 no. And now the time for changing. Look at everything that's come and gone. Sometimes when I play that old six string, I think about you all the